I got so much fucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Bring it down, hold fast, hold down. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hi.
What's this place?
Going to ano tayo, McClear Resort.
Going to park.
Tato niyo po.
Is this a tree? Orange, blue. Let's go. This is the people. Oh! Look, guys. Amazing chair. This is garden. Look, this is big tree. Like that. The butterfly. Over here. This is tiny chair. Tiny secret house. Come on.
It's a mini garden.
Mini garden. And this butterfly going out. Let's go. Mini garden is so cute. Oh, guys, so big.
Wow. It's amazing. McClear Resort. Welcome to McClear Resort.
I see the fish. I see the baby fish. Let's go over there. This parking area is over here. Hi! All tree and all bahay.
All bahay.
How flower.
With a private pool. Look at that. So nice.
That's a little.
Private pool.
Ano yung pampanga?
So nice. Private pool.
What is private pool? What is private pool?
Ito na ang kailang mga pool. McClear Resort.
Mama, nalilito siya. Hey guys!
Ayan, meron silang cottage, kubo cottage, and may mga room sila. Ayan. And then, meron din silang, ayan, isa pa sa mga private resort nila. Ayan. Ayan, let's go! Sa loob mismo tayo ng kanilang event. So nice, diba? Sa tabi tayo ng resort. Yan. Ito ang loob ng kanilang resort at event place. Meron sa labas at meron din sa loob kung gusto mo ng naka-aircon. Yan, meron silang kubo sa loob, sa labas. Let's tour. Ayan ang kanilang cottage. What do you say? What do you say? Kubo. Meron silang lababo, oh, diba? Marami silang kubo dito. Ayan. Yan, paikot yan. Tapos ito yung pinaka-event place din sa labas. Okay. With broad run. Ayan, meron din silang ibang event place. Kapag yung small event lang. Ayan, so nice. Let's tour. Ayan, elegant place. Inside. Ayan, kapag may mga any event, pwede na kayo mag-inquire sa Macler Resort. So, ito yung pinakamalaking main event place nila. May aircon sa loob. Ayan, kapag gusto nyo po ng mas malaki. Let's go! Thank you for watching. Ayan, may parkingan sa loob din. Tapos may basketball court. And meron silang gym sa loob. Ayan. Kapag gusto mo mag-gym, ayan. Marami silang pang-gym dyan. And yun na nga, yung sa labas. Ito yung sa loob na malaking event place. Thank you for watching. Meron silang aquarium dito sa loob. Ayan. At may garden sila. Daming garden. Plants. That's it. Thank you for watching. Yan, meron silang videoke, room, at yung CR yan. Yan. Then, yun na ang pool nila. Garden. Heart. With love. Lights.
Tinatawag ka na, may